In Northern Ireland, you can now get married to the same sex, if you please. So I just wanted to dedicate this video to my fellow gays, all my gay friends, all my straight friends, because they're now going to all gay weddings. Hello. And also to my beautiful girlfriend. Yeah. You're not getting married just yet. So first I'm just going to put on my base, which is the valuable L'Oreal base. Taking a little brush. I'm taking the brow this way in medium brown. I'm just going to line out and fill out my eyebrows. Taking the P. Louise base in the shade Rimmer, so I'm just patting it on to the lid and then shaping out my eyebrows with it. Patting it into place until it's a bit tacky. Take Wasted out of the Stacey Marie Carnival palette and go right at the outer edge and pack that colour on. Then whenever that's a nice all over colour, I'm just going to slightly blend out the edges, barely touching the skin. Then I'm going into Funky and doing that in the inner corner. Oh, that is so pigmented. Wow. Then going into Sky out of the Stacey Marie palette. So I'm just going to pack that over where I've just blended out the purple. And then start blending up. Colour Explosion eyeshadow palette from Makeup Revolution and going into a bright green. Just packing that on and blending it into the blue and purple. Then with the same palette I'm going in with the yellow. I'm packing that on right beside the green and slightly blending those two in together. To Lit from the Stacey Marie palette. And I'm just going to place that right over where I've done the pink and blend into the yellow. Ooh, that is looking colourful. Colourful. Back into the P. Louise base, I'm going to cut my crease. Going into Pink Me, I'm going to set that base with that colour, which is like a really light glittery pink. Going back in with Funky, I'm gonna just blend that in, start making the spotlight eye. And then with Wasted again. Then taking Peaches and Cream in pigment, which is like a really nice glitter kind of pigment. I'm going to place that right in the middle. Oh my god, I love this. I'm just going to take all those colours again. Just using the Primark 3D Angel lashes, and they were only £2. Hello. Went ahead and put on my foundation and powder. I used the L'Oreal True Match foundation and the RCMA No Colour powder. And now I'm just going to go on to bronzer, highlighter, blusher, all the good finishing touches, the lips. Let's go. Firstly, I'm going to put on the Barry M Matte Me Up Liquid Lipstick. It's in the shade Nude. Taking my Hoola Benefit Bronzer, I'm going to pat that on to create the contour. And for blusher, I'm taking this bright pink blusher, which is out of the Suave Coral Spectrum palette. Just placing that right above the contour. Sub-Zero palette, I'm going in to Babyliss. So I'm using the CYO bronzing powder in the shade When the Sun Don't Shine. It is a medium shade. Where you would normally put contour, I'm putting this bronzer to wash my hand.
For gay marriage?
Yes.
We having a little countdown together?
If you want. So that is me done with this video. I hope you have enjoyed it, and if you have, then please like and subscribe, and you'll see me in the next video.